Alright friends, this is our second test. Today we'll fly to maximum altitude and see how high the drone can climb until the battery drops to 55%. First, we'll fly in normal mode, then switch to sport mode, waiting for the timer to show the data. Okay, let's go. By the way, the Mini 5 has a cool feature. You can flip the camera upside down. Some people might find this interesting. Basically, it's similar to the Mavic 4. Pretty cool. There's also an Instagram mode, vertical shooting. Now we accelerate in sport mode. The drone is flying at 9 meters per second. Switching to cruise control, so it flies on its own. Let's see how high it can climb. The satellites lock down quickly, 31. Everything looks good. Check the battery, frequency 2.4 gigahertz. And in FCC mode, we already have 32 satellites, then 34 and 36. Looks like it didn't catch them right away. We're climbing to 1500 meters. The drone shows 39 satellites. Great, the speed has dropped a little, but it's fine. And just to remind you, the city itself is already at 800 meters above sea level, so we didn't start from zero. We've already climbed to 2,200 meters. That's actually more than 3 kilometers above sea level. The main thing is that DJI claims the drone can fly up to 4,000 meters above sea level. Right now, it's holding steady at that height. Of course, above 4,000, the speed will drop and it gets harder for the drone. We've already passed 3,000, now 3,200, and here we are, friends, 4,000. We've crossed the mark above sea level. Let's try to climb at least 4 kilometers from the takeoff point. We're already flying into the clouds. The speed dropped to 25 kilometers per hour. And then even lower, just 7 to 8 kilometers per hour. Alright, friends, we've almost reached 4,000 meters above the takeoff point. That's 4,800 above sea level. I'd say that's amazing. Time to head back. What a disaster. The auto landing just kicked in and I can't cancel it. I keep pressing, but nothing works. And what's happening now? The drone is descending at only 3 meters per second. Battery at 56%. And I'm sure now it won't make it down in time. The battery will run out first. What did they do to this thing? Just now, in the first test, the descent was 8 meters per second, and the battery showed about 60 minutes. But here, 26 minutes, and the descent is only 3 meters per second at 4,000 meters. It's ridiculous. Why would they do this? This is a real mess. We could smash a brand new drone right now, friends. I didn't expect this chain of events. But what can we do? There's no way out. I can't change anything. We haven't even clearly hit 3 kilometers from the takeoff point, and the instrument is now showing 3,200. The battery is dropping fast, only 18 minutes left. Will we make it? That's a big question. I'm freaking out. I'm not myself right now. Imagine smashing a drone on the second flight, and it costs over $1,000. That's just unreal. Now, I understand with this drone, you can't fly up to 4 kilometers. The real maximum is about 3 kilometers from the takeoff point. Right now, we're at 16% battery, and only 4 minutes left. I think we'll make it down. 600 meters, Almost 500, we're already close to home. The speed didn't increase, still the same. Battery at 12%, 350 meters, 309%. That's it, we're home. Friends! Now I'm calm, the drone landed and didn't crash. Perfect. I really like this drone, an amazing model.